folks, Joe Emanuele, Tres Amigos Realty Group in the pouring rain on Playa Hermosa. Today happens to be the Ruta del Paz that we one of the main sponsors for. It's a 5-kilometer race to raise money for children that are underprivileged so they can get a good education in a bilingual school. All costs are done. I've done a little video about this before with my friend Astrid. Unfortunately, Astrid happened to come down with COVID, so she couldn't be here today. But we set up our booth and we're ready with fruits for all the runners once they're done. You'll see in some of the video moving forward that I was out in the rain getting the little guys starting off. And then the adults and the bigger kids, right now they're out on the beach in the rain running 5 kilometers. So this area is a great area to come. Raise your family, raise your kids. It's a beautiful beach, it's a beautiful community. There's lots of parents here, both Costa Ricans, Italians, Americans, Germans, Canadians, from all over the world, Israel, you name it. It's a melting pot and it's a great spot for people to come and live. Everybody ran their 5 kilometers in the pouring rain, and of course now the sun is starting to come out. But it's been a great event. Hope to see you guys here in Playa Hermosa soon. You'll really love it here. I know I love living here. So if you're ever interested, give me a call, send me an email to jaaechef@gmail.com. I'm a little wet and tired. Thanks a lot. We'll see you guys soon in Playa Hermosa. Take care.